Welcome to Gardens of Eden. Let's start at Eden Residences. 7 buildings, all going up. These buildings are at full height, all floors complete. Now the homes come to the life inside. Floor 1 is done, tiles, ceilings, aircon. Now the finish is climb, floors 2 and 3. Next, finishes and systems reach floor 3. Next, building A gets its columns, first floor is pouring and still rising. Building B, walls keep rising. Building B is at full height too, all floors done. Now the walls go in, and in building B bricks goes higher. And that is Eden Residences for now. Building H at the top.
Building H is now at the top floor, the first at Park Residences to reach a full height. And your home is in H. Its shape is now complete. The roof goes on Building H. Now, to Park Residences, 6 buildings, about 1 floor every month. Here is where each one stands. In total, 16 floors poured on all 6 buildings. The next group passed floor 3. Every building keeps going up. Next, at the Lake Residences, piling is going on and the new one starts building fee. First piles go in. See you next time!